Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, we are going to solve IMO sample paper 2122 for class 6. Pattern and marking scheme are given on the screen. Please watch video and do like, share and subscribe my channel. First section is logical reasoning. Question number 1. Rearrange the following letters to make a single meaningful English word and then choose the category to which it belongs. The given letters are F, G, O, R. And after rearranging the letters, a meaningful word is frog. F-R-O-G. And frog is animal. So B is correct answer. Question number 2. Joy wants to save rupees 50 to buy a pair of roller blades. He plans to save rupees 2 in first month, rupees 4 in second month, rupees 6 in third month, and rupees 8 in fourth month. If Joy continue this saving pattern, then how many months will Joy take to save rupees 50? So here in first month he saved 2 rupees, his saving is 2 rupees. Second month he saved 4 rupees and 4 plus 2 he saved 6 rupees. In third month he saved 6 rupees and saving 6 plus 6 12. In fourth month he saved 8 rupees and 8 plus 12 20. In fifth month he saved 10 rupees and his saving will be 10 plus 20 30 rupees. In sixth month he saved 12 rupees and then saving will be 12 plus 30 42 rupees. And in seventh month he saved 14 rupees and saving will be 56 rupees. Then Joy will take 7 month to save 50 rupees. So here B is correct answer. Question number 3. 2 triangle is equal to square, triangle square, triangle square is equal to 2 circle, triangle is equal to 50. Here given all these are equal to 50. If 2 triangle is equal to 50, then 1 triangle will be 25. So here triangle is 25. Then here given this 25 means 50 and it is equal to 50 means square is equal to 0. And here this triangle is equal to 25 and remaining this 2 circle is 25 means 1 circle is 12.5. Now option A is circle is smaller than triangle. So here circle is 12.5 and triangle is 25. So 12.5 is smaller than 25. So A statement is true. So here A is correct answer. Question number 4. According to the diagram, how many students have more than one favorite type of books? Here X is equal to 1 student. So total 8 students have more than one favorite type of book. X is equal to 1 student. So 8x is equal to 8 students. So here D is correct answer. Next section is mathematical reasoning. Question number 5. In Parul's garden, there are 25 rows of vegetables. She has 5 more rows of peppers than tomatoes and 2 fewer rows of cucumber than tomatoes. If Y represents the number of rows of tomatoes in the garden, then which number sentence can be used to find how many rows of each vegetable were planted? So there are total 25 vegetables. Y we take it as tomato plus number of cucumber is 2 fewer than the tomato means Y minus 2. She has 5 more rows of peppers than tomato. Tomato is 5 and 5 more than tomato means Y plus 5 and total of this is 25. So equation will be this. So here D is correct. Question number 6. Which of the following figures have at least 2 lines of symmetry? Here all the figures having more than 2 lines of symmetry. So here D is correct answer. Question number 7. Subtract 29.375 from the sum of 85.75 and 5.9. So here we first do the addition of these two. 85.75 plus 5.9. So 5 plus 0, 5, 7 plus 9 is 16, 1 carry over, 5 plus 5, 10 and 1, 11, 1 carry over, 8 plus 1, 9. Now we subtract 29.375 from 91.65. So here 0, 10 minus 5 is 5, here 14, 14 minus 7 is 7, then here 5, 5 minus 3 is 2. Here again 11, 11 minus 9 is 2. Here 8 minus 2 is 6. Answer is 62.275. A is correct. Question number 8. The 5-day forecast for the South Pole lists the low temperatures in Fahrenheit as -24 degree, -28 degree, -29 degree, -25 degree and -30 degree. Which choice show the temperature in order from the lowest to highest? On the number line, this side a negative integer, this side a positive integer, and number r goes on increasing on right side. Lowest temperature is -30, then -29, then -28, then -25 and then -24. Lowest to highest. So here C is correct answer. Question number 9. What is the value of the given expression? Given expression is this. Now we first solve this bracket. So 3 plus 3 into 3, 4 plus 3 is 7. Again 3 plus 3 into, here now we solve this. 3 into 7 is 21. Then 3 into 21 is 63. 3 plus 63 is 66. D is correct answer. Question number 10. Mohit is selling candy bars. He has chocolate bars, nuts bar and mint bar. If the customer buys 2 bars and the bars are not of the same type, then how many different combinations are possible? So Mohit is selling chocolate bar, nut bar and mint bar, and customer buys 2 bars. So possible combination are chocolate nut, chocolate mint and nut mint. So there are 3 possible combinations. So A is correct answer. Next section is everyday mathematics. Question number 11. Vinita can type 28 words per minute. At this rate, how many words can Vinita type in 5.5 minutes? So in 1 minute, she can type 28 words. So 5.5 minute, how many words? So is equal to 28 into 5.5 is equal to 154.0. So she can type 154 words in 5.5 minutes. So here A is correct answer. Number 12. At a school there are 704 desks to place into 22 classrooms. If the equal number of desks is placed in each classroom, then how many desks will be there in each classroom? So here in 22 classroom there are 704 desks. So in one classroom how much desks? So here we need to divide 704 by 22. So here 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 1 remaining, 2 fives are 10, 2 twos are 4. 11 ones are 11, 11 threes are 33, 2 remaining, 11 twos are 22. So here A is correct answer. Question number 13. A vessel has 5 liters, 120 milliliters of mango shake. How many glasses each of 40 ml capacity can be filled with it? So we first convert this into milliliter. 5 liter 120 milliliters is equal to 5120 milliliter. Now here we divide this by 40 to find the number of glasses. So this 0 get cancelled, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 1 remaining, 11, then 4 twos are 8, 3 remaining, and 32, 4 eights are 32. 128 glasses can be filled with it. D is correct answer. Next section is achiever section. Question number 14. Fill in the blanks. Option 1. Opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal and parallel. Option 2. A quadrilateral having only one pair of opposite sides parallel is called a trapezium. Option 3. A parallelogram having all the sides equal is called the rhombus. So here C is correct answer. Question number 15. Study the statements given below and choose the correct option. Statement 1. Numbers having more than 2 factors are known as composite number. And statement 2. A number for which sum of all its factor is equal to twice the number is called the perfect number. Here both statements are true. So C is correct answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Do practice well and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.